children, today let's start with Unit 3, our country, India. So, we will start with chapter number 17, our flag. So, fill in the blanks with the help of clue box. यहाँ पे आपको clue box दिया है. Now, color of the upper strip of the flag is, जो color होता है upper strip का वो क्या होता है? Saffron. Saffron. Color of the middle strip, जो color होता है मिडल स्ट्रिप का हमारे नेशनल फ्लैग का, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? White. Color of the bottoms, that is green. Now we have next one is saffron color indicates. क्या indicate करता है? Life and perishable. White color indicates purity and truth. Green color indicates your courage and sacrifice. Next is our national flag. Our national anthem is written by, किसने लिखा है? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Our national anthem is sung in ratio of the length and breadth is 3:2. There are dash spokes, 24 spokes. Color of Ashok Chakra is, कैसा होता है? Dark blue. Right, now let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 18, Immortal Indians. Indians who either sacrificed their lives for the lives or did great service in India. Inform Immortal Indian scheme. You have here the pictures has been given to you. You will write the name. First is he was a great emperor of India. He grew sick of the violence after giving great victory and took oath never to fight again. Emperor Ashoka. कौन थे आपके? Emperor Ashoka. He was a great freedom fighter of India and is known as father of nation. Who is he? Mahatma Gandhi. She was a nun thing, and she served the poor and the homeless and the sick for every 40 years. She is your Mother Teresa. He was one of the greatest freedom fighter in India. He formed Azad Hind Fauj. किसने करी थी? भगत सिंह. आजाद हिंद फौज, सुभाष चंद्र He was prominent freedom fighter of India, right? He was hanged by the British. His title Shahid Alam. कौन थे भगत सिंह? He was a great freedom fighter. He became one of the most admired Prime Minister of India. That is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 19. Now, let's start with the chapter number 19, sites to visit. So, India has a great variety of architecture. India has a great variety of architecture. We must conserve this heritage. Right? The picture of some buildings has been given in the crossword. Right? Like, and you have to write the name where they are located. So, first is Taj Mahal कहाँ पे located है आपका? Agra. Second is Sun Temple. Konark. Then third is Qutub Minar. New Delhi. Fourth is Char Minar. Chandigarh. Sorry, Char Minar, Hyderabad. Fifth one is Meenakshi Temple, Madurai. मीनाक्षी टेम्पल कहाँ लोकेटेड है आपका? मदुरई में. Right? Then we have sixth one, Rock Garden, that is Chandigarh. Then seventh one is Hawa Mahal, that is Jaipur. Gateway, that is Mumbai. Gateway of India कहाँ है आपका located? Mumbai. These are the different monuments you can see, and I have told you the different states where they are located. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 20, languages in India. Right? Now here some languages has been given. So Assamese, Assam. Assamese कहाँ बोली जाती है? असम में. Bengali. Now next is Dogri, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Now Gujarati, Gujarat. Kannada, that is Karnataka. Malayalam, that is Kerala. Marathi, Maharashtra. Oriya, that is Orissa. Punjabi, that is Punjab. राजस्थानी कहाँ बोली जाती है? राजस्थान में. तमिल, तमिलनाडु. and Telugu is spoken in Andhra Pradesh. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 21. Famous products. So, let's mark the cities with the product they are famous for. Now, Makarna is famous for फिरोजाबाद किसके लिए बैंगल्स के लिए जाना जाता है ई अलीगढ़ फॉर लॉ धारीवाल इज फॉर क्लोथ्स अलीगढ़ फॉर लॉ मुरादाबाद फॉर ब्रॉन्ज मेटल and Mirzapur for carpet. Right? These are the different products that are important for different. Let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 22. Famous brands name in India. Now given some groups of goods which are produced in our country under different brand name. So each group contains two famous name, add one more. आपको एक और add करना है. Like if I talk about toothpaste, Colgate, Pepsodent and Dabur. Dantkanti, anything you can write. Television, Samsung, LG, Sony. कार में मारुति, Fiat, Mahindra. You can write of your choice also. Pepsi. Cold drink में Pepsi, Thumbs Up, Sprite और Coca-Cola, anything you can write. बाइसाइकिल में एटलस, हीरो और A1. टी में ताजमहल, टाटा और रेड लेबल. नेक्स्ट इज चॉकलेट, किटकैट, डेयरी मिल्क, 5 स्टार. शूज, बाटा, लखानी and Puma. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 23. Festival of India. Here some clues has been given. You have to write the names of different festivals. Dash is the festival of color. कौन सा आपका festival of color? Holi. Dash is the festival of light. We decorate our houses. It is the Diwali. It is the Dash is the festival of Muslim, that is Eid. Dash is the festival of Christians. क्या celebrate करते हैं? Christmas. Dash is the festival of image immersion. Image को हम क्या करते हैं? Immerse करते हैं on गणेश चतुर्थी. सला के आते हैं ना, उसे कहते हैं immersion. Dash is the festival of Sikh. Baisakhi. Dash is the festival of bond between brother and sister. Raksha Bandhan. Dash is the festival of Jains. कौन सा होता है? महावीर जयंती. Right? So India is the land of festival, and this calendar lies literally covered with them, and some festivals are celebrated only on religious events. Right? This chapter has been complete. Let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 24, our motherhood. So fill in the blanks with the help was. The wheel of dash, the wheel of law. We have Dhan Chakra appear in the relief or center of abacus or a national emblem. The dash animal appears in our national emblem. कितने animals हैं? 6. The national dress is printed on all. The national emblem. Our national language is Hindi. Our national slogan is, क्या है हमारा national slogan? That is truth alone trims. National emblem पूछा. National, what is the national slogan? That is Jai Hind. National game is hockey. National anthem is Jan Gan Man. Dash is the national song Vande Mataram. Dash is our national flag. Tricolor. What does Satyam Ev Jayate means? Truth. Truth alone trims. Right? Now, our unit has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. We will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.